Sit down comfortably on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or on some sort of support. This is a technique to help restore your vitality using two complementary methods. Take long, deep breaths. Keep your lungs full of air and at the same time contract your perineum. Doing both these actions together enables you to vitalize your whole body and boost your energy. Lay your hands on your thighs. Pull the top of your head up towards the sky. Relax your shoulders. Your chin is slightly tucked in. Relax your face. Loosen your jaws. Relax your tongue. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Clench your teeth and exhale quickly and forcibly in 3 steps and making the sound sh, 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 while contracting your abdominal muscles strongly in 3 steps to eliminate the toxins. Do not breathe in between. Keep your lungs empty. When you breathe in, sit up straight again. Repeat the exercise 2 more times. Shh, shh, shh. Breathe in deeply. Lean forward and contract your abdominal muscles. Shh, shh, shh. Then sit up again. Relax your arms and your shoulders. Breathe deeply. Lay your hands on your thighs. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, push your elbows forwards, round your back, pull your stomach in, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Feel your back open up and try to separate your 2 shoulder blades. Breathe in and sit up straight. Push your shoulders backwards, your chest forwards, and stretch your face gently towards the sky. Breathe out and round your back. Tuck your chin in towards your chest and push your elbows forwards. Pull your stomach in as you finish breathing out. Breathe in, lift your chest up, push your shoulders backwards, lift your sternum and lift your face towards the sky. Come back to the neutral position and breathe out. Relax your arms, your shoulders. Breathe in and open your arms out to the sides. Stretch your arms right to the tips of your fingers. Contract your perineum and lift your rib cage wide. Breathe out and lower your arms and your shoulders. As you breathe in, contract your perineum, open your arms and lift your ribs to increase your respiratory capacity. Push both hands backwards so you squeeze your shoulder blades together. Breathe out. Relax your arms and your shoulders. Relax your face muscles and your back. Breathe in one last time. Contract your perineum, open your arms out to the sides. Push your hands backwards. Stretch your arms right to your fingertips. Lift your rib cage. Breathe out and gently relax your arms and your shoulders. Keep your jaws loose. Breathe in and lift your right arm out to the right side. Push your hand backwards and look far behind your right fingers. As you breathe out, bring your right arm slowly round to your left shoulder and watch your hand as you do so. Breathe in and open your right arm. Push backwards. Open your rib cage wide and keep watching your hand. Contract your perineum and keep your lungs full. Breathe out and bring your right hand back to your shoulder, watching it as you do so. One last time, contract your perineum, breathe in, open your right arm and push your arm backwards. Keep your lungs full for a few seconds and keep contracting your perineum. And as you breathe out, relax your arm gently to the side. Breathe in and open your left arm out to the right side. Push backwards and keep watching your hand. Breathe out and bring your left hand back to your right shoulder. Look towards your hand. Contract your perineum and as you breathe in, push your left arm backwards. Stretch your right arm to your fingertips. Make sure your rib cage is open. Keep your perineum tightly contracted. Breathe out and bring your left arm slowly toward your right shoulder and watch your hand as you do so. One last time. Breathe in, open your left arm out. Watch your hand as you push it backwards. Stretch right out to your fingertips. Make sure your rib cage is open and your perineum contracted. Breathe out and relax your arm gently. Take a deep breath. As you breathe in, lift your arm straight out in front of you, stretched from your shoulders. Clench your fists and rotate your wrists in one direction, then in the other. Try not to move your arms, use just your wrists. Breathe in and stretch your fingers as wide as possible. Breathe out and relax your arms, your hands, your shoulders. Breathe in and breathe out deeply. Lay your hands on your thighs. As you breathe out, lower your head and tuck your chin as far as possible into your sternum. Breathe in and lift your face up towards the sky. You should feel the front of your neck stretching. Breathe out and bring your head back down towards the sternum. Breathe in and lift your head up again. Your shoulders are lowered. As you breathe out, turn your head to the left with your chin over your left shoulder. As you breathe in, bring your head back to the center. As you breathe out, turn your head to the left. Be aware of the feelings in your neck. Breathe in and bring your head back to the center. As you breathe out, tilt your head to the left, with your left ear towards your left shoulder, without moving your torso or your shoulders. Breathe in and bring your head back to the center. As you breathe out, tilt your head to the right, with your right ear towards your right shoulder. Be aware of the feelings in your neck. Breathe in and bring your head back to the center. Breathe out and lower your head towards the sternum. Very gently, rotate your head and make sure you're aware of all the feelings of stretching and contraction in your neck. Keep your face relaxed. After one full circle, when your chin comes back towards the sternum, make a small break. Then rotate your head in the other direction. Your jaw is loose and your face remains as relaxed as possible. When your chin comes back to the sternum, breathe in and lift your head back up in the center. Lay your left hand on the outside of your right thigh and your right hand behind your pelvis on the chair. Breathe in deeply and make sure you're sitting up straight. As you breathe out, turn your torso to the right and focus on feeling your abdomen turn, your rib cage, the line of your shoulders, your neck, your face. Look backwards. Breathe in and turn back towards the front. Lay your hands on your thighs. Lay your left hand behind your pelvis and your right hand on the outside of your left thigh. Breathe in and stretch upwards. Breathe out as you turn to the left, focusing on the movement of your navel, your rib cage, your shoulders, your neck, and your head. Breathe in and turn back towards the front. Breathe out. Relax your arms, your shoulders. Breathe in and out deeply. Contract the perineum. Breathe in and feel the energy moving upwards from your pelvis, along your spine, towards your head. Lift your rib cage. When you have to breathe out, do so slowly and become aware of your consciousness move down towards your abdomen. Once again, contract your perineum, and as you inhale, push the energy up from your pelvis towards your head. Keep your perineum well contracted, your rib cage well open, And when you have to breathe out, do so slowly and loosen all contraction. Keep still for a few moments and feel the effects. Delight in the effects of your exercise, and when you feel ready, open your eyes.